Alright, so step one is to, what we're going to do is put the processor on the motherboard, so installing the CPU. I just want to unbox it in front of the camera so you can get the full experience of what I'm doing. I will probably fast forward depending on how long it is, so let's go ahead and open it. And here we got the motherboard in the anti-static bag. I'm going to be careful with that. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Alright, so we got our motherboard out on the box with the anti-static bag here. I did have a anti-wrist strap or anti-static wrist strap, but I have no idea what to plug the other or clip the other end to, so I just grabbed it myself. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here so you can see the CPU like that. And here's the i7. We're going to go ahead and open this here. You got all these gold pins. Very nice. I don't know if you can see that, but here we gotta take this out like that, then it lifts up and pull that back. Now we have to remove this like so. Now we can go ahead and put the CPU in. There you go, it should drop right down. It should just drop right in. Close the cover. Pull this down, it will take some force. Gotta hold the motherboard under there, and the CPU is successfully installed. I will see you guys in the next part. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.